Konnichiwa, watashi wa Sonali desu. Hi, I'm Sonali. I'm working as a foreign language instructor. I have a 10 years of teaching experience. I speak English, Japanese, Chinese, and native languages like Hindi and Marathi. Being a foreign language instructor, I know how important to learn foreign languages nowadays, especially Japanese language. So let's have a look on some reasons why to learn Japanese language. Japan is a prosperous country and has the most diverse economy in Asia. The leading Japanese companies are among the largest, most efficiently run and most well-known firms in the world. Familiar names like Sony, Toshiba, Sanyo, Casio, Canon, Minolta, Honda, Toyota, and Mitsubishi. Japanese consumers spend hundreds of billions of dollars each year on consumer goods and services like food, clothing, travel, and entertainment. Being able to communicate with potential customers in their own language is key to winning their business. Japanese is one of the more difficult languages to learn but can be a gateway language to other Asian languages. The Japanese language used Chinese character while keeping its own grammar. Korean and Japanese are grammatically quite similar. The Japanese make up the third largest language community on the internet, after only English and Chinese speakers. Knowing Japanese can connect you to these people in an instant. Learning Japanese will enable you to communicate with many more people. You can also meet many others from around the world as well. It is also possible to uncover new job opportunities through connections with the friends. The Japanese are innovators. From Japan came bullet trains, Walkman, blue LED light, pocket calculators, Android robots, just to name a few. If you are into technology R&D, learning Japanese will open the doors to that many more opportunities. If you learn Japanese, you will be able to understand animations, movies, variety of shows, news, and any mainstream Japanese media. This allows you to follow pop culture, current events, history, manga, anime, and video games, and many other things in the original language. If these reasons have convinced you to learn Japanese language, then we will help you to fit your needs for an awesome learning with our experts. Whether you are studying for the JLPT, that is Japanese Language Proficiency Test, learning business Japanese, focusing on Japanese characters, or learning Japanese for fun, our teachers tailor your private online Japanese lessons to make your learning fast, efficient, and fun. Learning from a qualified teacher is the best way to learn Japanese language. So just try our classes and see the difference. Thank you. Arigato. Sayonara.